simply. Spyderco Yojumbo. Nice. And for Yojumbo. Freaking big, awesome. Hey, just doing a quick video. Got the Yojumbo Blade HQ CPM M4 big 4-inch blade. Scales are really cool. The JG10 kind of see-through. I think they look pretty good. They're not like super green like some of them you see. Got a big knife. Came in this box. Lots of these in it. Pretty sweet. The spider just crawled out of it. That's what it looks like empty. It's got the Blade HQ little symbol in there. Yeah. The Yojumbo. So overall, almost 9.5 inches, or just about 9.5 inches. Big 4-inch blade. So comparison, PM2. This thing's cool. And the Yojumbo 2. These are great. It's the crew wear version. Into that cardboard. Easy peasy. Some lettuce. Look at that. Super sharp. Hollow grind. Can we see it? Yeah. Very cool. Look at that. I didn't even strap it or anything. Shredding lettuce. It's like it's not even there. Very cool. There it is. Yojumbo. Carry this thing. I'm using it out in the garden and the yard. Pretty awesome. Yojumbo 2. Also awesome. Fits in the hand good. Yojumbo. Like my hand could be gigantic and then it would fill the handle. But it still feels good. Yojumbo. Yojumbo 2. Yojumbo. Yojumbo 2. Yojumbo.